Where does the name for Llanfarian come from? So today I'm in Ceredigion, just south of Aberystwyth, and this village that I'm in now is called Llanfarian. Let's get into the name.
The name for Llanfarian is made of two parts. First, Llan, an area of land attached to a church, which originally meant a consecrated area of land to set up a church community. And then we have Farian, which is the soft mutation of the word Marian, which can mean gravel or scree.
Now the problem is that there's no Llan in Llanfarian, so what's happening there?
In many place names across Wales, because Llan is so common, it sometimes happens that other words are mistaken for it, especially Nant, a stream or a valley, Llain, a strip of land, and Glan, a bank of a river or a lake. This is because of the unique ways that Welsh words change when combined with other words, and the way that certain dialects pronounce these words. Here, it seems to have replaced the word Nant, but, as noted by Richard Morgan and Hywelwyn Owen in Dictionary of Place Names of Wales, there's no recorded evidence of this original name, so we can't be certain. It could also be Glan or Llain as well.
And the Marian in the name is probably referring to the gravel on the sides of the river, as you can see behind me.
Another name for the village arises in the 1800s, and that's Pentrebont, the village of the bridge, which will have taken its name from the bridge that crosses the Afon Ystwyth here, along the road south of Aberystwyth.
So the name literally means gravel stream. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe. And if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well sometimes, you can on my Patreon, the link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.